Good afternoon, students. Hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your ward fees. Dear students, you are watching Class 6 Science, chapter number 2, Components of Food, part 10. Dear student, in this video, we will discuss exercise. So, let's start. First, choose the correct option for each of the following. First, which of the following food items is rich in carbohydrate? Question mark. Dear student, A option broccoli, B option cakes, C option carrot, D option none of these. Dear students, like cereal, bread, rice, potato are the example of what? Carbohydrate. And cakes are made up of what? Cereals, bread. So here the cake is right answer. Now come to the second. Rice, one of the following is a source of vitamins. Question mark. A. So question number second. Which one of the following is a source of vitamins? Question mark. A option rice, B option potato chips, C option oranges, and D option bread. Dear students, I earlier told to you rice, potato chips, potatoes, bread are example of carbohydrate. Here question is asking what vitamins. So vitamin C is a good source of orange is a good source of vitamin C. So all citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C. So here oranges is the right answer. C option is correct. Now come to the third. Which of the following is a trace minerals? Question mark. A option calcium, B option chlorine, C option iron, and D option phosphorus. Dear students, we know very well trace. Here question is asking trace minerals. Iron is a trace. Rest of the major minerals. Example of major mineral. So trace in minerals is what? Iron. Now turn your page. Dear students, come to the next question. Question number 4. Insufficient amount of vitamin A in the diet can be causes. First, A beriberi, B poor vision, and C is scurvy. Dear student, poor vision is the right answer. Vitamin A, deficiency of the vitamin A causes poor vision. Now come to the C. Deficiency of vitamin D causes A rickets, B scurvy, C kwashiorkor, D marasmus. Dear students, rickets is the right answer. A. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Now come to the B part, filling the blanks using the correct words. Now start A. Butter is a rich in. Dear student, fat / carbohydrate. Fat is the correct answer. Right here, fat. Now come to the B. The vitamins that is called the sunshine vitamin is vitamin A / vitamin D. Dear student, dear students, we know very well vitamin D is also called what? Sunshine vitamin. So vitamin D is the correct answer. Now come to the third. Cobalt belong to the group of dash minerals, trace or the major. We know, dear students, it is belong to a trace minerals. Now come to anemia. Fourth one. Anemia is caused due to lack of dash in the body, iron and copper. Anemia due to lack of iron. So iron is the correct answer. So right here, iron. Now come to the fifth one. A person suffering from swallowing swollen gland in the neck has a goiter. So right here, that is given rickets and goiter. Then goiter is the right answer. So right here, goiter. Now come to the true and false what? State whether the following statement are true or false. Now dear student, first, as fats have a higher energy than the carbohydrate, they can be consumed in a place of carbohydrate in equal amount. Dear students, that statement is false because fat gives us more energy than the carbohydrate. Now third, 13 kind of vitamins are found in the animal source of a food. It is a true. Now come to the next. Eating only one type of food provide the body with the all required nutrients. That is also false, dear students, because not only the one type of food. Fourth one is calcium makes bones strong. Dear students, that is the right answer. Calcium makes their body strong. Bones special for the bone health. Number fifth, lack of particular nutrients in the body can be cause disorders. Dear student, it is a true. So write here true here. Now come to the D part. Answer the following in one words each. First, lack of which vitamins leads to scurvy? Dear student, vitamin C. Right here. Now come to the C. What is the other name given to dietary fiber? Dear students, roughage. Right here, roughage. Other name of dietary fiber is roughage. Now come to the third one. Swollen glands in the neck is a symptom of which disorder? Goiter. Write down goiter here. Now come to the fourth one. Name the any one source of fat. You can write oil, egg yolk, butter, ghee. Any one source of fat. Now come to the fifth. Name a way by which water remove toxins from the body. That is sweat or that is urine. You can write any one sweat / urine. Dear students, you have to do this exercise in a very neat and clean way in your notebook. Dear students, you have to fill also in your book also and also notebook in a very neat and clean writing. Dear students, you can also write these exercises with the help of your detail planner which is given on your school app. So dear students, you have to do it. Thank you students. Stay home, be safe.